Hi, today I'm going to talk about life skills. The term life skills refers to skills you need to make the most out of your life. So, any skill that is useful in your life can be considered as life skill. For example, tying your shoelaces, swimming, driving a car, using a computer are most common things which we can term as life skill. So, broadly speaking, the term life skill is useful for any of the skills that need to deal well and effectively with the challenges of life. As per WHO in 1999, WHO identified six key areas, and these six key areas of life skills were communication and interpersonal skills, decision making and problem solving skills, creative thinking and critical thinking, self awareness and empathy, assertiveness and self control, resilience and ability to cope with problems. So, these were the six which were identified by WHO. So, it is also true that different life skills will be more or less relevant at different times of life. For example, when you start a family, you will need parenting skills. You may also find that time management and organizing skills become more important. Let's say when you are looking for a job, you require employment skills to get a job. So, the skills which you will require will include how to apply for a job, uh, how to cope up with the interview. So you'll require those skills. And when you have a job, you may need to develop leadership skills, especially if you want to become a lead member of the group, something like that. So when we are studying, when we are students in university and colleges, what we need is study skills. So the skills keep on changing. However, perhaps the most important life skill is the ability and willingness to learn. So, as we are talking about the new moms and there are five important life skills if you really want to teach to your children. These five important life skills are decision making skill, time management skill, hygiene and health skill, money management, and getting organized. These are the five most essential skills which, as a parent, you can start as early as you want. So, when it comes to decision making, let me make it clear that children could be taught and must learn to make decisions at a very young age, as it will help them to stay ahead of others and make the right judgment when the time comes, because as parents we cannot be there always with them. Time management, it is very important in our lives, in our personal as well as professional life. So, at a very young age, we can teach our children to do everything on time, such as getting up on time, go to school on time, and everything in between. Health and hygiene. I'm not going to talk much about that. We all are clear what is health and hygiene. So, brushing your teeth, keeping a personal hygiene, taking bath, changing your undergarments, and all these small things to keep yourself physically fit. And these small things matter a lot, because when it starts at an early age, as adults, when the children grow, they will learn about the importance of maintaining health and hygiene. So it will become part of their daily routine. So money management is also one of the crucial and essential life skill which should be known and practiced by everyone from any age group. And it should be, underlined, means you can start as early as you want. So it is one of the necessary life skill. You can start teaching your child how to manage means like money skills by saving, spending wisely, and using cards moderately. So at times when you are playing with your children and all that, you can always ask them to count the currency notes and all. That will help them to teach money management. One of the essential life skill is getting organized. Children can learn to become organized if they are taught at early age. Skills such as preparing school bags, picking up of clothes for the next day, getting ready on their own, that is to make them self-reliant, making their bed, doing laundry, keeping the dishes in the sink are very small steps that help your child to become organized. So these are very, very, very important. So most of the skills that children need in this competitive world are not taught in the classroom. Let me be very clear. And that is why when asked, most of the children don't know even the real meaning of life skills. So it is our responsibility as parents to start it at an early age from our own homes. So we can start as early as we want. As a child understands the things, so we can start it at a very early age. So the basic idea is let me ask you one thing. Is it possible that we are present everywhere as parents with our kids? It is not even possible. So failure, frustration, despair, stress are essential part of life. It's a learning curve. By cushioning the fall of the children, we are crippling them. As adults, these children will not be equipped to handle what life throws at them. So the idea is not to take the stress away from their life, from our child's life, but to teach them coping strategies, which is very important. So children, we as parents should sit down with children, teach them to see their success as their own, independent of someone else's future. It is perfectly fine to watch out for one's children, but to take away their struggle is a very big disservice to them. So what we are doing as parents is we are taking away their future by making their lives easier. We are making sure that they have no idea what to do when things are gonna get tough, and as parents you are not there. So would you or me be following them to their offices, their relationships, their rejections they face? Can we prevent all faults as parents? In fact, should we even try that? That we should be there to catch them, or be always there? What as parents we should be doing? By making their life very easy, we are taking their coping skills away. So it is very important to give them a financial security. We can secure their future, but by doing that, we are depriving them of their survival skills. So I know as parents, it is not easy to step back, but as we all have kids and we see how the child, for the first time, it takes the steps, it wobbles down, and we allow him to fall, and then we hug and encourage the child to take another step. So the same applies all over other times also. Children are still taking baby steps towards their future. Our job is not to make sure that the road is smooth, but just to be there to hold their hand if they need us. So as parents, we should be there by their side to hold them if they fall. But please let them fall once. Let them learn. Don't take away the coping strategies, the skills, the survival skills from them. So children do not need us to do their homeworks or bribe their way to school or college. They do not need us to make their life smooth sail. All they need is a room to learn, fall, get up while we stand with them. Yes, as parents, we should be always by their side, but Please never ever always be there to protect them. Because research has also proved that by making the life easier, what we are doing, we don't have any idea. We are making their life tough day by day. So we as parents should be there as their pillars. And as I already said that they all need a room to learn. Give them the space to experiment, to learn new things, to fall, get up, while as parents you stand with them. Thank you.